Hello and welcome back to Moto Stylish channel. If you're looking for a bike that can handle any terrain, has a sleek design, and won't break the bank, you might want to check out the Voge 350 AC 2023. This bike is the latest model from Voge, a Chinese manufacturer that has been making waves in the motorcycle industry with its affordable and high-quality products. In this video, I'll tell you everything you need to know about the Voge 350 AC 2023, from its performance, price, and availability. The Voge 350 AC 2023 is a dual sport bike that can tackle both on-road and off-road conditions with ease. It has a 349 cubic centimeters single-cylinder engine that produces 30 horsepower and 27 Newton meters of torque. The engine is paired with a 6-speed transmission that offers smooth and responsive shifting. The bike also has a fuel injection system that ensures optimal fuel efficiency and low emissions. The bike has a steel frame that is sturdy and lightweight, and a long travel suspension that absorbs shocks and bumps on rough roads. The bike also has a 19-inch front wheel and a 17-inch rear wheel that provide stability and traction on various surfaces. The bike has dual disc brakes that offer powerful and reliable stopping power. The bike also has a digital dashboard that displays speed, fuel level, odometer, trip meter, clock, and gear indicator. The bike has a sleek and modern design that is sure to turn heads wherever you go. The bike has a sharp front fairing that houses a LED headlight and a windscreen. The bike also has a slim fuel tank that holds 16 liters of gas and a comfortable seat that can accommodate 2 riders. The bike also has a LED tail light and turn signals that enhance visibility and safety. The bike comes in 3 colors, black, white, and red. The best part about the Voge 350 AC 2023 is its price. The bike costs only $3,999 US, which is a steal compared to other bikes in its category. The bike offers great value for money, as it delivers excellent performance, quality, and features for a fraction of the cost of other brands. The bike also comes with a 2-year warranty that covers parts and labor. The Voge 350 AC 2023 is available in select markets around the world, including Europe, Asia, Africa, and Latin America. The bike is expected to launch in North America soon, as Voge is working on meeting the emission standards and regulations of the region. You can find out more about the availability of the bike in your country by visiting the official website of Voge or contacting your local dealer. The Voge 350 AC 2023 is a bike that offers everything you need for an adventurous and fun ride. Whether you're cruising on the highway, exploring the countryside, or hitting the trails, this bike will not disappoint you. It's fast, agile, versatile, stylish, and affordable. What more could you ask for? If you're interested in buying the Voge 350 AC 2023, don't wait too long. The bike is selling like hotcakes, as more and more people are discovering its amazing features and benefits. You don't want to miss this opportunity to own one of the best bikes on the market today. Order yours now before they run out of stock. I hope you enjoyed this video about the Voge 350 AC 2023. If you did, please share it with your friends and family who might be looking for a new bike. And if you have any questions or comments about the bike, feel free to leave them below. I'd love to hear from you. Well, that's a wrap for our review. Thanks for joining us today on Moto Stylish. And we'll see you next time for more exciting reviews and updates on the latest vehicles and trends in the world of motorcycles.